media query is actually used for responsive design. Let's say anyone can visit our website through different devices. So that time actually for various devices we actually have to do CSS, and that's why. And that time actually we use media query. So let me show you. Let's say I want to show this text when somebody is in desktop, and if somebody just visit our website from mobile, then I will not show this header tag. I mean the text inside the header tag. So to do this, I have to go to the head section here. I mean, I want to do CSS, so in same page, so I will use here style tag inside the head tag, and here inside the style, I will say that media query at the rate of media. One rule, that is media screen. So I will write here media screen, and I will say and there is a function, and in this function I will send the parameter, and that is called max width. I will say, so let me just tell you the parameters. There are bunch of different parameters: max width, max height, mean width, mean height, and height and width also. So to remember this, just if you use here height, only height or only width, it will create an scrollable web page, actually horizontally, right? So we will use here max width, and we will say that 800 pixel here. And what does it mean? Actually the screen, the these queries for the screen, for those screen actually start from 0 to 800 pixel. So the people they are visiting from the screen which is 0 to 800, they will not see our um, this header. So I will say body display nothing, so none. So the people who are using small devices, they, if they visit our page, they will say nothing. So now I go to the browser, and here if I go to the inspect option, then you can see if I go to the responsive here, and here I will select iPhone SE, and then you can see there is nothing in the web page. And if I go to the responsive way, and then uh, if I just increase and decrease the pixel size, then you can see uh, when it is until 800 pixel, there is shown nothing, and when it goes over 800 pixel, it will show the text. So this is how we can do media query. And we have another option. Let's say I want to comment it out. So if we want to comment something, then we can use here like this and this. Okay, and now I will write another media rule, that is media, let's say media print. So I want to use another rule here, media print. So here I want to change the color. So let's say I want to change the color of the body. That means whenever I write something in the body, their color should be changed in when we will print it. So let's say I want to change the color to red. So if I go to the browser now, and I refresh here, let me just cross it, okay, and I refresh here, you can see our text is in black color, right? But when I press Ctrl plus P to print this website, you can see in the print option here, you can see our website text is in red mode, right? So this is because of media query. I've just said that media query rule for the print option is you have to change the body color to red. So in media screen, we have another option. Let's say uh, instead of max width, we want to say that orientation. So we have another, what can I say? Inside the properties, yeah, inside the function, we have, let's say attribute. So we will say here that orientation, if orientation, so we will set orientation portrait, right here, portrait. So when it, so we have just done a media query for the portrait option. So let's say if our browser, if I refresh it, and if I just change the if I rotate the device, let's say I want to rotate it in portrait mode, right? What is portrait? That is vertically. Let's say you just horizontally pick your phone, and then you just rotate it, and see, when I just rotate the phone, so in portrait mode there is it shows nothing. As I mentioned here, that when orientation is portrait, that time body shouldn't display anything. And if I go to the landscape, if I write here landscape, sorry, landscape, landscape, and then if I go to the browser, then refresh here, you will see the text, and when we rotate it, then you will see nothing. So this is how you can use media queries. So we have a lot of a bunch of different rules available here: screen, print, all, and space. I think you learn media query properly. So this is all about media query. From today, I think media query is clear to you. And if you don't understand media query, let's say you have some problem, you have some issue, so let me just know in the comment section. Tell me about your problem. I will discuss with you, or maybe I can create a video for you. So thanks for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.